Today we will learn 3 traveling right turn combinations for beginners, also known as the outside turn. Combo number 1. We'll start with crossbody lead steps, right to left, raising on 2-3, and start leading on 5, the traveling right turn. Then a back basic, change to left, and lead a single right turn on 5, 6, 7. Now with the music. Let's go. Open position. 1 basic. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Now crossbody lead steps, leading a traveling right turn with the right. Raise, 2, 3, elbow out and lead on 5, 6, 7. Back basic, change the hands left to left and lead a single right turn on 5, 6, 7. Basic. Transition again to open position, parallel hold, and crossbody lead step, traveling right turn with the right. Raise, 2, 3, elbow out, lead the turns, and down. Back basic, change to left, and single right turn. 5, 6, 7. Basic. Open position again, parallel hold, and last time slow, crossbody lead step, traveling right turn. Raise the right, 2, 3, elbow out, turn, and down. Back basic, change to left, and single right turn. Fingers to fingers. Full speed, 1 basic, let's go. Open position, and crossbody lead step, traveling right turn. Raise and turn. Back basic, change hands, single right turn. And basic, parallel hold. Let's go again, crossbody lead steps, raise, turn, back basic, change hands, single right turn, basic, change hands, parallel hold, and crossbody lead steps, raise the right, and turn, back basic, change the hands, single right turn. And now combo number 2. We will start with crossbody lead steps, leading a traveling right turn with the left, raising on 5, and then leading the turns. Then a back basic, change to right, and lead the single right turn. And now with the music, basic. 1, 2, 3, and let's go. Crossbody lead steps, leading with the left, traveling right turn. Forwards in 3, up on 5, turn on 6, and down. Back basic, right to right, single right turn, over the head, and now basic. Change the hands, left to right, and let's go again. Crossbody lead steps and traveling right turn. Let's go. Front, side, open, up, turn and down. Back basic. Right to right, single right turn. Let's go. And basic. Change the hands again. Left to right. Last time slow. Let's go. Crossbody lead steps. Front, side, open. Now raise, turn, and down. Back basic. Change to right, single right turn, and full speed 1 basic. Let's go. Change the hands, parallel hold, and crossbody lead steps, leading with the left. Turn and down. Back basic, single right turn, and basic. Change the hands, and let's go again. Crossbody lead steps, traveling right turn with the left. Raise and down. Back basic. Change the hands. Single right turn and basic. Change the hands again and crossbody lead step, traveling right turn with the left. Raise, turn and down. Back basic. Change the hands. Single right turn. Combo number 3. We'll start with crossbody lead steps, leading a traveling right turn, right to right. Raise, 2, 3, elbow out, and then turn, turn, and down. Back basic, ask for the hand underneath, and single right turn with both hands. Now, crossbody lead steps, release the right, and lead traveling right turns. Up, turn, turn, and down. Now, let's do it with the music. 1 basic, go. 1, right to right, and we'll start with the crossbody lead steps, leading, traveling, right turn. Let's go. Raise your hand, elbow out, turn on 5, 6, and down. Now back basic, ask for the hand underneath, and lead a single right turn with both hands. Now crossbody lead, release the right, lead with the left, up, turn, down. Now crossbody lead, ask for the right, and again traveling right turn, turn, and down. Back basic, ask for the hand underneath, and single right turn, both hands. Now crossbody lead, release the right, lead with the left, raise, and down. Now full speed basic. 1, change hands, lead with the right, traveling right turn, raise and turn. Back basic, ask underneath, and single right turn, both hands. Crossbody lead steps, lead with the left, traveling right turn. Crossbody lead, ask for the right, traveling right turn. Back basic, ask underneath, and single right turn. Crossbody lead steps, lead with the left, traveling right turn. And thank you very much for joining us.